Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change text font in MailerLite email. This is a simple but essential skill for customizing your email campaigns to match your brand style and create more professional-looking newsletters. First, you'll want to go to MailerLite.com and log into your account. Enter your credentials and make sure you're signed into the right account if you manage multiple businesses or clients. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen and click Campaigns. This is where all your email campaigns live, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. You'll see a list of all the emails you've created. Now find the email or campaign where you want to change text font. Scroll through your list or use the search function if you have a lot of campaigns. Once you've located it, click Edit beside that campaign. This will take you into the editing interface where you can modify the content and design. Then on the top of the screen, click Design Email. This opens up the visual editor where you can see exactly how your email will look to your subscribers. You might need to wait a moment for everything to load, especially if your email has lots of images or complex layouts, so give it a few seconds to fully render. Now find the text that you want to change text font and click it. This could be a headline, a paragraph, or any other text element in your email. When you click it, the text will become highlighted and active for editing. On the right side, you can see the editor panel for that text. This panel contains all the formatting options you need to customize how that specific text appears. It's your control center for fonts, colors, sizes, and other styling options. Click Heading 1 and you can see Font. This drop-down shows you the current font being used for that text element. MailerLite offers a variety of font options that are web-safe and display well across different email clients. Click the drop-down menu beside it and choose the font you want for that text. Browse through the available options and select the one that best fits your brand. You'll see the change applied instantly in the preview, so you can try different fonts until you find the perfect match. And that's it. You've successfully changed the text font in your MailerLite email. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how professional and on-brand your email campaigns appear. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.